Welcome guys, so today I'm with the Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks and how it works. Okay, so to open the camera pro mode we have to simply move to the more settings. Let me just change the orientation, and right here we can find the pro mode of the photos. And right here we can find parameters at the bottom and at the top. Let's start from this place. At the first we can find the ISO. If you don't know what it is, just tap on the information icon and you will get a description of this feature. So there's nothing to talk about, you can just simply read what is going on, and I'm going to show you how we can adjust this option. So we can get 3250. That's the manual slider, and also we can adjust it automatically by tapping right here. The next option is the shutter speed, and also we can find here this information icon. You can find this information icon each time you switch the presets, the functions. So as you can see, when we adjust the shutter speed, we can set it up for the 10 seconds, and that's the 1.6000. We can also set it automatically. And when you take a look on the other parameters, as you can see, when we move with the shutter speed option, we are not able to change the exposure compensation. That's how it works in this phone. And also we are not able to automatically adjust this ISO function. So that's how it looks. And there we got the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. You cannot make it automatically like in the shutter speed and the ISO. Right here we got the focus, so we can just simply manually set the focus. And just take a look. When I go for the 1.0, everything that is close to the phone, it will be blur out, it will be out of the focus. So when you want to focus on the close objects, you have to definitely go for the 0 or 01 or 02. Also we can set it manually, automatically. And here we can find the white balance with the slider. We can set it between 2300 and 10,000, and also automatically. When you tap right here, we can find other parameters. We can find the contrast, we can control the highlights, shadows, saturation and tint. So we can just simply move the slider like that, and you can adjust these parameters like you want. In this place we can find the matrix metering. There's also the good explanation of the mode. It's good job, Samsung. It's one of the latest features of the camera. I didn't see these features before, so that's not nice that they add this simple information to the camera application. Like, you don't have to take a look around the internet, you got the short preview of the functions. Right here we got also the aspect ratio, camera timer, the flashlight. And that's everything for this pro mode. That's how it looks and that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.